Well folks, we're about 4:30 in the morning. The stars are out. Been down past Plymouth Court, very dry there. Rolleston Street, very dry. Just going to have a look at the town. I'm pretty confident that this event is all over. Really interesting around town, the sandbags that were placed on top of the stormwater have worked a treat. In the centre of town, actually the town looks fantastic. There's not a drop of water around. I'd say this has gone very, very well. Photo corner, very dry, looking pretty spectacular. Well folks, this is Bruce here from the Coasters Club, just doing a bit of a wander around Hokitika. It's 4:30 AM in the morning. This event is over. Now folks, just leaving the town area. It's actually surprising how much traffic's around at 4:30 in the morning. Well look, enough about the weather. Let's talk about wild foods. I mean, it is 4:30 in the morning. Now there's the Greyford Ranger. It's now been fully sign written for the Wild Foods Festival on the 10th of March 2018. It's Greyford, the sponsor. Fantastic, you know, when you think about it. Greyford have been a great supporter of the communities right across the coast. And it's only when you see something like this that you really appreciate how much effort, how much money they put into supporting community events. What a great looking rocket. Well folks, there we are. Hokitika, 4:30 in the morning, and one rain event that was quite extreme is now gone. We'll catch you later.